Hello lovelies, welcome back, and today we are preparing some banana bread, and for that you'll require very ripe bananas, as you can see mine. So we'll start by peeling them off. We will add the 2 eggs. Add a third cup of sugar. Melted margarine. Milk. One cup of wheat flour. Then teaspoon of baking powder. So I will be baking using this sufuria, and remember I warmed my margarine using this sufuria, so it's already greased. On your end you can grease it using margarine or oil. Then I will sprinkle a little bit of flour, just like so. Sprinkle. Then make sure you do like this. Hope you can see well. So now we will pour our mixture here. Yeah, then we will level it like so. So we'll head over and warm our how do we call it? The place where we will be baking our cake or our bread. So let's prep our oven. Probably you're wondering what kind of oven is this. Place our sufuria here. Then I will go in with salt. spread it well. So I will let our salt to heat, then I will place our cake mixture here, or our bread mixture, on top of this. So this will act as our oven. So kindly stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button. So our oven or our salt is ready. So I will place this here. Let me just begin like so. Then I will cover, reduce my heat. And let it cook. Probably it may take some 30 minutes or 1 hour or so, but we will cook till our bread is ready. So if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. So for some reason I had to change our cover. So let's check. Hope you can see it well. I'm going to test it with this. Yeah. So our cake is ready. I will just switch off the cooker and remove this. So I'm going to give it time to cool, like 10 minutes. Then we will get to see the results there. You see? Wow. Oh, my bad. So we ate some and I forgot to show you guys. So here we go. So here is the end results. Hope you can see. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet on the next one.